afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Is it good morning now?
No, no, it's good afternoon.
Yes. Okay. Zehra, Mazen, Ruba, you there?
Yeah.
Okay. So what do you have to do?
Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am said we'll be doing something here last week.
Doing what?
I don't know, I forgot.
Actually, our activity hour is over in the last week, right? We have done 2 activity hour last week. So I said,
No, it's not over.
yeah, it's over. So I said,
We did a question, right?
No, last activity hour said one team will choose the next activity next week.
Yeah, that was actually a class. We had to draw.
so any team decided an activity right now? Do you have an activity planned? No, right? So we'll do one thing. Today we'll take
Ma'am,
class.
I have so many games. Can I say?
Not now. Okay, look at this. You should have a correct plan for that. So, today we'll be taking class. Tomorrow, in our G5 hour, we can make it as an activity hour. You plan an activity. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So, those who are just uh, beside the camera, please turn on your camera. On.
Are you sick?
Yes, I'm sick.
Ma'am, I have some games.
You have some games. What sort of games?
Like bingo, sciences.
Actually, this activities hour is not for games or something to enjoy. Okay, this is actually project based learning. Activity hour just means project based learning. That means you work and you learn. Okay, so for that, just related to our subjects, you are going to find some activities like we done one treasure hunt. You remember treasure hunt? If when you do that, you just learn it by marking the different coordinates, isn't it? In the same manner, just related to our chapters, we are just finding some different activities and we are learning by ourselves. That's actually what we mean by activity hour. Understood? It's actually not about playing bingo, asking funny questions or something. That we just add to it. Okay, for making the class fun.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, Isha. Isha, can you keep your maze background here? Yeah. What? What, Isha? Isha, what you said?
Ma'am, I don't see it.
You can get it from your G5 A Live classroom, no? If you go
Hi,
down,
ma'am.
you can see it. Hi, Mazen. You can see the maze background, student's maze background. From there, you can just download and then if you take the background, you can see an upload option. From this, you can upload it to it and then just put it. Open. Click on open, you'll get it. Yes. So many are missing. What happened? Seda, you there? Hello, Seda, you there?
Yes.
Okay, so why are you not sitting there without turning your camera on? While you enter the class, you have to turn.
loading slow.
Okay. I just need Seda and Sarah here today for showing something for you both. But Sarah is not here, right? 1 second, I'll just turn off my Wi-Fi and come. My network is getting stuck, okay? 1 second. Sitting down. Okay, those who turned off your camera, just turn it on.
Then can I just close the door now?
Yeah, okay. Of course. Since Sarah is not here, I just want say from G5 class there are many missing. Many missing means many missing. Look at this. Seda, can you see this, Seda? You haven't done at least one. Look at this. I have given 6 or 7 assignments here and you haven't done at least one. What's the reason for that? Yeah, Sarah also joined. You and Sarah is the one who haven't attended at least one assignments. Yes, look here children. Sarah and Saida. Sarah and Saida, you there?
Yeah.
What is the reason that you have to say for seeing this? Look at this. I need to get some reason that you are not, why you are not submitting. I already gave you several warnings. I already opened many times assignment submissions, right? Now I already closed everything. Now anyone cannot submit the missing works. Why are you not doing that? I just need some reason for that. You cannot say that you don't know to do that because you already submitted for the unit test, right? Look at this. 3 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 7 assignments are already given and you haven't submitted at least one. Sarah, why? What's the reason? What? Just say a little more louder. I couldn't hear anything.
She said she was traveling.
Traveling for when? The whole January month were you traveling?
Not fully January. Like there was some network connections, also problems there.
That's not a reason, Sarah. That's not at all a reason. The whole 1 month, you just need at least, or if you just give some 2 days for this, you can do this. All are very easy questions. See the left the meat. So, what you will say? What we have to do for this? Only yours is the one who is showing this much missing. And Isha, Minha, you haven't done the last 3 one. Aman, for you also there are some missing. 4 missing are there for Aman.
But what about me?
You are done right. You are done with everything. Good job. You, Bilal, Ruba, Amina, Zehra, Isha. No, Isha used to submit daily, but I don't know what
And do I
happened.
have missing?
No. Amina, Zehra, Bilal and Mazen, Ruba. You all are not having any missing.
Yeah, Fatima Zahra doesn't have because she's on leave.
Yeah.
Long leave. She left.
So Sarah and Saida, Aisha, I just need to know when will you submit this. I'll not give more than 2 or 3 days. Will you submit it by before Friday?
Yes, 100% I have to do it right now.
Will you?
What?
Yes.
Today is Monday and I'll give you up to Thursday. Thursday will be the closing
It's
date.
Thursday. That's
Okay.
Okay.
By Thursday, I will close everything. For whoever, I'm going to open today itself everything. For whoever there is any pending works, you have to submit it before this Thursday. Okay? By Thursday evening 5 IST, I'll be closing everything. Before that, you have to submit. And if at all you are not submitting, mainly Sarah and Saida, if at all you are not submitting by Thursday, there will be a full 0 for you. Okay?
Ma'am, what's mine?
I'm not going to give you at least 1 mark for this. Okay. Understood, children? Okay, so note down please. Saida, what about you? Sarah said she will be submitting by Thursday. What about you?
Same.
Will you submit?
Yeah, but how do I submit it from the classroom? Got.
You can just upload the photos to WhatsApp. Is WhatsApp linked into your lab?
Yeah.
So you can just send the WhatsApp photo to your WhatsApp for your contact, and then from there you can just save it and then upload it here. Understood?
Yeah, I think a little.
You were studying here for almost 4 to 5 months, right? When did you join, Saida? Aisha ma'am already said that she shown you how to submit it, right?
But she didn't though.
She said she already taught you how to submit.
I don't think I saw it.
So you have to ask each teacher. There are many teachers for you. You have a class teacher. You can ask anyone that, ma'am, I don't know how to submit my works. So help me in submitting. So it will be submitted, right? So there is no any warning for you again. By Thursday 5 o'clock IST, I'll be closing everything. And by that time, those who are having any pending works can do. Otherwise, I'll just put a big 0 for that. Okay? So we are going to start a new chapter, children. Unit 16.
What is it?
Chapter 16.1. Okay?
Arithmetic?
Yeah, it's laws of arithmetic. So, we know these are the basic arithmetic operation we have. Which all are the basic arithmetic operation? Addition. Yeah, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division.
Division.
These are the 4 main basic arithmetic operation. Okay? So, what will be the result you get for each of this? All of you please find the answer for this fast. For A and also for B. I'll give you only 1 minute. Make it fast.
Ma'am, what's the name of this unit?
Sorry?
Ma'am, first one is 18 and B.
Name of the unit?
I didn't get it.
Ma'am, I don't know how to do the name of the unit.
Unit 16.1. Laws of arithmetic.
Law.
Ma'am, B.
No. Don't say out the answer. I'll ask.
Ma'am, do we have to write it?
Yeah. If you want to write, or else without writing, you can just find it. It's okay. Both are okay.
Ma'am, I don't know how to do the second one. It's easy. 3 times what's 4 plus 6?
So look at this, children. Here in this case, first what we'll do, we'll multiply 3 into 4, which is 12, and 12 plus 6 is 18, right? That's the answer here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is that the answer
Yeah.
all of you got?
Yeah, that's the answer I got.
Yeah. Now,
Yeah.
somebody said, Ruba said that she doesn't know how to do this, the second one, right? So
The
here,
brackets, yeah.
the answer is 4 plus 6 is put into the bracket. That means it is specialized by something. 4 plus 6 is something made it special by putting it into bracket. So we always give importance to special people, right? So 4 plus 6 is something special. So first we will do that. 4 plus 6 is 10. And
10.
now we will do 3 into 10. Okay?
30.
Yeah, the answer is 30. Anybody got the answer 30?
Yeah.
Yeah, Sarah got. Anybody else got the answer 30?
Yeah.
Good job. So this is how why do you think we get different answers? There are simply the numbers are same and the operation here are also same. But the thing is only one bracket came in between them. So what happened? We gave importance to this bracket, right? You think you can just do your sums in any order you like. Think again, listen up. Can we do our operations or calculations in any order?
You can just do your in any order.
Sorry, what?
You think you can just do your sums
Yeah.
in any
Do you
order
think
like?
that you can do your calculations in any order? Or is there a specific order for doing the calculation?
I don't know.
Yeah, there is a specific order for doing the calculation, which is called as BODMAS.
Board mark.
It's a rule. It's a rule. It's
Yeah.
BODMAS rule. BODMAS is what?
Yeah.
B is bracket. O is what?
Oh,
It's
O
like
is
opening. Okay.
opening.
Operations. And D is division,
Division.
multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So always we used to give.
Yeah.
If you want to note it down, you can do this, children.
What mass?
I know this, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay.
If anybody want
This is
to,
only yours.
what?
Is this just 1 minute? Just like 6.1. That's only 6.1.
16.1, right?
Yeah.
What mass is?
Arithmetics, right?
Yeah. No, I'm not done. Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Who is missing today, children?
I think I don't know who it is.
Abel.
Also Ryan.
But Ryan's absent. Oh, that's me.
He was there for that class.
Yeah, he was.
Did he forget?
There for Hindi? Was he there for Hindi?
Yes, he was there.
Okay, then maybe he has network problems.
I think so. What not?
Or maybe he thought us the breakers 1 hour. For me, it's 1.5 hours because
For me it was 2 hours.
for me it was like 2 or 2.5 hours.
Yes, all of you completed, children?
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Who's singing? It's my sister who is very disturbing. I have 3 hours.
Done, ma'am.
I have 3 hours.
Yeah, because the break.
Yeah.
1 second, okay? I'm just
Ma'am,
putting the
ma'am,
attendance. Okay. So done, children. Got it, everyone? So first we'll always will give importance to bracket. Whatever is there in the bracket, we'll go for the that part first. Then we'll go to the operation. We'll start operation. Then it is division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Okay. Actually, you have an activity here, but it's scientific actually. Let me try whether I get it or not. Okay. Summarize it. No, I'm not getting. Yes.
You what?
So look at this, children.
Okay.
So board marks, bid marks. We
Yeah.
always say it's board mark, but you can say bid marks too. Okay. First is go into the bracket, then indices, or we can say O operation. Okay. Then it is division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction.
It's big mass.
Bid marks. So look at this. So here there is division, multiplication and addition. So first we'll go to division, right? Because division
Yeah.
stand first. Division is 5. 25 divided by 5 is 5. And now we'll go to multiplication. 4 times 9. 4 times 9 is 36, right?
36.
36 plus 5. And the answer is 41, right?
Yeah.
Look at the children. 30 minus 3 into 9, which is 30 minus 3 into 9 will always give importance to the multiplication first before subtracting. So 30 minus 3 into 9 we'll just solve it and make it as 27. Then 30 minus 27 answer is 3. Now 28 divided by 2 plus 5. That means 2 plus 5 is in the bracket. So we have to give importance what is in the bracket. That means 2 plus 5 is 7. 28 divided by 7 is 28 divided by 7 is
28 divided by 7 is
4, right?
4 7 yeah.
4 sevens are 28, so it is 4, okay? There is some different. Yeah, I think they are given the answer for 2 plus 5, which is 7. So 28 divided by 7 is 4, that's the answer. Now look at the children, 6 divided by 3 plus 48 divided by 8. So here what we have to do?
We have to do the
They say,
No, you have to do the division first, then add.
yeah, 6 divided by 3 is
yeah. 6 divided by 3 is equal
2.
to 2.
Now 48 divided by 8 is
40 divided by 8 is 6.
6.
yes, 6. So the answer is
6 plus 2.
8.
8.
the answer is 8. Good job. What about this?
44 divided by 4. 11.
Minus 9.
What we should do first? Yeah.
17 minus 9.
17 minus 9. What is 17 minus 9?
7 minus 9. 8.
Now 44 divided by 4 is
11.
11. 11 plus 8 is?
18. 18.
Is it 18?
19.
19.
29.
29? What?
Sorry.
What all you are saying, Mazin? Huh? Don't be hurry worry. Think and say the answer, okay? Yes. Now we reach the learner's book questions. I want anybody to read this question and explain each of the question. Bilal, you can just read the main sentence of this and then you can just call out any one from this and just ask them to explain that question.
Each learner is thinking of a number. Draw a diagram and write calculation to work out their numbers. Aman?
Aman, are you sleeping? Just read out the A question and complete that, explain the question to everyone.
There is the
Sorry?
Tariq, a question, right?
Yeah, A question.
Tariq is thinking of a number. He adds 7 to his number, then divided his number by 10. His answer is 1. What number is Tariq thinking of?
He's thinking of 2, I think.
What?
2? I think he's thinking of 2 because 2 plus 7. No, he's not yet. Oh no.
Yes. So, just explain the question, Aman.
Okay. Let me think.
Come on.
So we have to know what we have to add it. We have to know the multiplication of 7. Right? We have to do the multiplication.
No, not 0.
Then we have to
Look at this, children. Tariq is thinking of a number. We can just put the number as x, okay? We don't know that number. Okay? So, one second.
Is he thinking of 3? Answered 1 second ago.
Yes, children. So, got the answer?
Is it 3, ma'am?
3. So, let's look at it. He adds 7 to his number. So, he adds 7 to his number. Okay? Then divides by 10. Answer is 1. Divides by 10. Okay? And the answer is, he got us
Then
1.
is the answer 1?
The answer he got is 1. So, what will be x? When we add what to 7 and divide by 10, we will get... Yeah. Yes. The answer Bilal said was very much correct. 3 plus 7 is 10 and 10 by 10 is 1. So, the answer is 3 here. Okay. Now, B question. Sonja is thinking of a number. She adds 5 to her number, then divides by 2. Her answer is 6.
What number is Sanjay thinking of?
Yes, 7. Is it 7? What? Is the answer 7 now?
Okay, Sanjay is thinking of a number. She adds 5 to her number, then divide by 2. Her answer is 6.
Yeah, so the answer is 7.
7 plus, yeah.
Ma'am, for the first one, can I just write the answer?
Yeah, you try to find out by yourself. I'll ask the answer.
Now, so just have to circulate 5 plus 2, 7 plus.
Look at this.
Not.
Try to find out the answer by yourself. I'll just ask you. Do the all question.
Three times 2.
Can I get the answer of the C and D?
Ma'am, I finished these
Can
questions.
I finish?
Okay. So what's the answer for B, children? That means,
7.
yeah, that will be 7 because when we add 7 and 5, we'll get 12 and 12 by 2 is 6, right? So the answer is 7 here.
Is it 6? The number 6.
Which one, dear?
I already told it 7, right?
Yeah, the 7. The answer is 7. The B. Because 7 plus 5, we have to add something to 5 to get, if we get 12 only, we'll get the answer. When we divide it, we'll get 6, right? 12 by 2 is 6. So, to get 12, we have to add how much to 5? It's 7, right? Okay, now Perry is thinking of a number. He multiplies his number by 3, then subtract 2. His answer is 4.
Ma'am, the answer is 2.
Yeah, good job. Because a number, a number that would be x, he multiply that number by 3 and then subtract to this answer. It is subtracted by what? 2.
2.
Okay, so x into 3 minus 2. That means when we need to get the answer is 4. So if we want to get something minus 2 is 4. So what minus 2 will be 4? It will be 6, right? To get 6, what should be multiplied?
9.
9.
Yeah.
9. It is 9. The 9.
Okay, she divides her number by 3 and then adds 11. Her answer is 40. So first she divides that number, some number which is divided by 3. Okay, and then add 11 to that number, and the answer she gets is 40. So what we have to do here, just think, if we add what number to 11, we will get 40. That is 3, right? So to get 3 here, what divided by 3 will be 3. We can, if we do what by 3, we'll get 3. That is only 9 by 3, we'll get 3, right? So the answer is 9.
14.
14. Can we divide 14 by 3, Zara? We will not get a correct number if we divide 14 by 3, right?
Yeah.
14 is the answer here. Okay, 14 is already given here. We will get 14 when we divide that number by 3 and add 11 to it. Got it? I hope it's clear.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Ma'am, so the answer is 14, right?
Dear, 14 is already given. The answer is 14 is already given. He is asking what number Lan is thinking of.
And that is 9. That is 9.
Okay.
Okay. To that number he is thinking of, that to that number it is divided by 3 and add 11. Understood? Please calculate the given questions, children.
Then I got all the answers.
Okay. Can we discuss the question now? All are done, children? So I'll ask one by one, okay? Isha, can you say the answer for the A1?
21.
Good job, 21. Because 5 plus 2 is 7 and 7 into 3 is 21. Yes. Zaytuna, can you say the answer for B?
It is 22.
18 and 83 into 6 is 18 and 18 plus 4 is 22. Good job. It's 22. Now, Sarah, can you say the answer for C?
Okay, ma'am. Nine.
8 minus 5 is 3 and 3 into 3 is 9. Good job, dear. It's 9. Saida, can you say the answer for D?
8.
8 minus 6 is 2 and 2 into 4 is 8. Very good. Now, Minha, can you say the answer for E?
1. Ma'am, C is 19, right?
Can I say the F?
No, it's ma'am, C is 19, right?
C is not 19. How can C be 19? We have to. C is 9. Zahra, first we have to check what is inside. Now, inside the bracket it is 8 minus 5. So, 8 minus 5 is 3 and 3 into 3 is 9.
E is 1.
Yeah, E is 1. Very good, Minha. Now, what about F, Zahra? Amina, Zahra, I'm asking you. F.
Yes, ma'am.
F question.
Ma'am, I'm not done with that.
Just try to answer it. It's very easy question, no? What we have to do first here?
Ma'am, C is 3 or 9.
C is 9. 3 is the answer for 8 minus 5. Yes, Aman, you can say the answer.
Okay.
For F.
12 plus 6 divided by 3, right? 12 plus 6 is 18 and 18 divided by 3 is 6.
Very good, very good. The answer is 6. Yes, I hope all of you got the very correct answers, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Since Ryan is there, not here, continuous talks are not here. Otherwise, he used to talk simply.
He always talks.
Ma'am, is
Accept
D8?
What?
Ma'am, is the D1 8?
D1, what was the answer I written there?
The D was
Yeah, 8 minus, yeah, 8 minus 6 is 2. Yes, it's 8.
yeah, it's 8 and C.
E is 1 and F was, what was it? 6. F was 6.
Yeah, 6.
Okay. So that's it, children. Should we move to next question? Or else? Need? You need?
Yeah.
If you have some questions, you can ask. Just have some fun. But you have 10 more minutes.
Oh.
Ma'am, I was not
Answers are already
Can
given.
you just change it, ma'am?
Why?
Okay.
Yeah, time is going so fast.
Yeah.
What?
Just now we have started the class. The time was almost done, right?
What? We just only did echoes to questions and
Yeah,
and
the
now
time
it's
was 3:14. 3:14. It was 3:14. Now it's
Yes,
Yeah, the time
3:45.
is going so
How
fast.
is this going so fast?
yeah, I going to
Well, I just checked 2 minutes ago. That's what happened.
It feels like 2 minutes, we should say, not even.
Yeah, it feels like the class is started.
But if there's something wrong with the clock or something.
I don't know. Maybe the satellite went wrong. or we were at the calculation so that we didn't calculate that.
That's it. That's it. Yeah, you were busy with calculating, so you haven't checked the time yet. That's the problem.
Yeah.
Ma'am, what was the answer for F?
F it
And
as
for
6.
F was 6.
F is 6.
Got the correct answer, Zara?
Yeah.
Okay, good job. Now, yeah, should I stop the class or are you asking something?
Yeah, if you want it to
I'm
I'm going to ask something. Can I ask something?
Yeah, of course. For that, that's what I'm waiting.
You're going to search it in Google.
Let him, no problem. Yes, Bilal.
You are a mute.
Yeah, yeah, review. Someone to tell first because it's gonna take a little time to.
Bilal, ask once again.
He said it will take some time to load, so you could ask someone.
What is he loading? Exactly. Yeah.
So, children, should I make some activity for your next activity hour? I
Ma'am,
mean,
can we do like bingo assignments?
bingo.
Yeah.
I actually meant something related to studies, children. Or else I'll make some activity. I'll plan some activity.
Then
Okay.
we could
Ma'am, I searched Google and it says it's related to.
Yes, we'll be doing activity hour on Thursday. Okay.
Thursday.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I got a question. Can I tell?
Yes.
Okay, I can speak without a mouth and hear without 6 ears. I have no body, but I come alive with the wind. What am I?
A feather or a
I'm alive with the wind. That makes me think it's a kite.
It's
not
not
a feather.
a fire, don't worry. Not a feather.
Okay. A kite.
Say the question again.
Just say that question again.
I speak without a mouth, and I hear without ears. I have no body, but come alive with the wind. What am I? Are you there?
Wind.
No. Okay, can I tell the answer?
Yeah.
Yeah, tell the answer.
The answer is echo. No. Echo. The answer is echo, yeah.
Okay. So I think we can wind up the class by this. Okay, let's take your break. Okay, then do you have any class?
Give us 10 minutes extra.
Do you have any class now?
Yeah, okay, no.
Okay, then bye bye. Have a great day, children. Bye bye. See you all. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.